Welcome to another edition of Bosch Solves. This car's rearview mirror has been damaged and needs to be repaired. Replacing the rearview mirror isn't as easy as it used to be. Most ADAS front-facing cameras are located in the rearview mirror assembly. If the assembly has fallen off or if the mirror has been damaged, it's possible that the camera has shifted and should be recalibrated to ensure the vehicle's ADAS feature is working properly. Because this vehicle has a front-facing camera located in the rear-view mirror assembly, we'll use our ADS 525X or ADS 625X scan tool to check for recalibration procedures. To do that, we'll head into Special Tests, ADAS Adjustments, Front-Facing Camera from our ADS 525X. We see preconditions for Replace Rear-View Mirror and follow the instructions directly on Tool. Next, we'll complete a dynamic relearn procedure using the ADS 525X and finish with a DTC scan. Since no codes are found, we can get this vehicle back to the customer. And that is how Bosch helps solve a rear-view mirror replacement and front camera recalibration. Bosch, the global leader in the automotive aftermarket, providing solutions for every job. Find the right solutions for your shop at BoschDiagnostics.com and BoschAutoparts.com.